it was just so incredibly, I think, life-changing, things that I had not thought about before. And I mean, and I have my degree in psychology. And so it's like some of the stuff I should have known, but it's not taught. That kind of
Mm,
this stuff I learned is not taught. I'm
mm,
just really thankful because it has been transformative, not just in the nutritarian lifestyle, but just in life in general. The struggle was I can't be perfect at this. I'm not perfect. I can't get it. Why do I keep falling back? Why can't I be consistent? I knew it needed to go deeper. But when I first started the book and started eating that way, it was actually no problem at all. I did it for about, I want to say probably 3 or more months. I did it mainly for pain
okay.
because I have
Mhm.
high levels of pain. And I saw that disappear. But just a side effect was I lost 15 pounds without doing anything except eating
Right.
this way. Then the holidays hit.
Yeah.
Then 2020 hit. Then just life with I have 5 children, life with 5 children and 5 grandchildren, just hit, and I have an aging father, take care of him quite a bit. So, I think all life hit, and then it wasn't as easy to stay consistent and use the intellect, I guess, that I know the answers, but how do I keep going with it? But then I thought, "I really need to do this."
Yeah.
It didn't matter how much it was or, it was worth it. I thought, I need to do this for me. There were 2 places where light bulbs hit.
Yeah.
The urges section that you talked about and the circumstances. A light bulb literally went off in my head and I thought,
Mm,
wow. And that has been a huge help to me. That first urge that I did, again, that was almost kind of shocking how quickly it went away when I dealt with that. Those those things were really helpful. Like, for example, and I've just finished lunch. I
yeah.
wanted a piece of chocolate, but I thought, I did the urge thing and it went away. And I'm surprised how quickly they do go away when you allow them. Those things, and also the self-care section. That was really helpful to me. Those are some of the main things that have really moved me forward through this and doing the work. I will say, that would be one thing I would really encourage people to do when they do this is to really get involved with it because I feel like that has been what has really helped me. Because I've done your challenges in the past, but I never said anything and never did anything. I just watched and I read what other people were doing. And I thought, this time I'm going to get involved because I really want to learn from this. I really want to change. I've learned the tools of how now. I know the why and what or whatever, but it's more the emotional head tools now of what to do that is making it easier getting back to where I was
Yeah.
in 2019, where it wasn't a struggle. Yeah, I would say please join. It would give you the tools you need, not just the hows of what to eat and how to do it and when to eat it and all that kind of stuff, but it would give you the emotional, intellectual tools that you need to keep carrying it on. So I would encourage people to do this whole process very strongly. Yeah, I feel like I have the tools to continue on with the nutritarian lifestyle and it be not the struggle that it used to be, but for it to be easy and almost. I think when you finally put all these things into practice, you almost don't even have to think about it as much. It comes more naturally, um, which I love. That has been, I think, a huge thing for me to just continue on in ease without the struggle.